Hello everyone, it's your girl Rosemary and welcome back to the Bamboo's channel. So today we will be unboxing this same Ryobi product, just like the lawnmower, and it's 40-volt also lithium battery. They also have the ones that uses gas, but I don't like keeping gases around because of kids. But anyway, they have it's brushless and you can also expand it, and it's 15 inches cordless string trimmer. You can use it and trim just the edges of the grasses or something. So let's go ahead and open it just so that you see what it looks like. Now, none of these videos are sponsored. I bought this with my money at Home Depot, and I'm trying to open it up in front of everybody because it's exciting and so that you see what it looks like. I might not be able to operate and figure it out right away, but it is what it is. Because I like unboxing stuff too. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm trying to be careful with this unboxing so that if it has any problems, how about I keep this here? This is what it came with. So, just like the lawnmower, it has the adapter for charging and the charger. Pull this box out. I always wonder if I open it from the wrong place. There we go. Wow. I hope this is not gonna be hard to figure out. If this is the brush thingy that stays right with them. So I had help to get them out. So I think this is the blade. This goes around and this cuts whatever you need it to cut, just like the blade itself. Let's see. Let's open this up. This is locked. I'm gonna try to open it so we'll see. So screw it counterclockwise and it pops out. Now let's see. I'm just showing you this part because it runs out of the red strings. So it runs out of the red strings, and just in case you wanted to change the red. So I think you lift it here and tie it around and bring one here and one out here like that, because I haven't used it. So, and then probably put it back. So because of this red string, it actually came with this extra part right here and extra wire. But I already bought this from Home Depot. I heard that this one is actually stronger in case I run out. So that way it's what do you call it inside? It's like metal inside, more of wire inside it, and just plastic around it. So this wouldn't cut as easily as that one. All right, so let's go ahead and close it back up. I never used one of these before, so I think I have to really push it straight and then turn. Oh, right here, I was looking at the wrong part. And then that. Okay, let's go ahead and unhook this, because this hooks to this upper part. And this upper part, I also bought a leaf blower, which I'm also going to make a review in a separate video, so you can fix the leaf blower there. So there it goes. And for this part, you can actually unscrew the lever. It can be high and it can be low. Okay, this is like the can't wait to use this and see what it looks like. I never used one of it, and I never paid attention when my uncle is doing anything with it. So let's go ahead and fix the handle. Battery goes up here. I'm gonna open up the battery so we can see. Let's fix this one first down here. So this is why I'm going to have to buy extra storage. And it's snapped in. You can go ahead and tight. Keep it tight. So that way you're trimming your glass, your glass. That way you're trimming your grass area. So I'll place this down quietly. Let's open up the battery. This is the battery. There you go. So this should be like the other one. It's just snapping. This is a little heavy, guys. It's a little heavy. I'm going to put a handle somewhere in the body, right there. It has to be somewhere you can easily hold it and, you know, cut a stop. And before we do that, let's go ahead and unscrew this. To unscrew this part, the butterfly part, it fell, and then the knot behind it comes out. And there we go. And then you can go ahead and put it wherever you want it to fit in, and close it back here like so. So wherever you want your handle to be, right there, it's snapped. And then put the knot back under. Is it under? No, the other way. Right there, and then screw it back. Make sure you hold it. Let me start screwing. Let me turn it, start screwing, and then I'll turn it around and screw it. Screw it as tight as you want. So let me see. Because it's like that, I think I want it. I don't want to do the whole thing yet, so I can turn it around. I want it this way. So this weed eater, that's what we call it. Use it to trim. Is it called weed trimmer and eater? Use it to trim edge of the weed. So there we go. You hold it the way you want. Okay, so let's fix the blade cover. That's what I'll call it. I'll go read the manuals later and figure out how these things are supposed to be done. Where this is supposed to go, but this, you can actually use this to, you know, unscrew it when you want to change that part, so you can hold it and unscrew it. That's what this does. And for the cover, I'm guessing I saw a screw here, so let me go ahead and take this off. Oh, the stuff just comes like this. Okay, so I think that goes here. Yeah, I think that goes here. It's not difficult at all. I get a screwdriver and finish the rest up. Oh, so I'm using a flat screw. Yeah, this is how you know it's a girl handling the screws. Don't get me wrong. So how does this close though? Okay. So this is how it goes. So this protects, okay, I see. It doesn't close. It protects the grass from splashing back to you. So this kind of splashes it backward. Oh, look at that. So let's do a test ride. But I'm not going to use it yet. So make sure you pull this back up. This is a safety thing. So if it's kids cannot use it like so unless they pull it back. Normally I want to charge the battery before I use it, but just to show you what it looks like and be done with the video so I can review the other one. That is what it looks like. So as you do when this part is cutting off, look, it's already started. All right, let's try to cut it here. See how that goes. So you can also try to level your grass. That looks awesome. Now I have to learn to control this. So that's how it works, and I can't wait to train my biceps with this. Thank you everybody for watching, and please enjoy your Ryobi weed feeder. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, and thank you very much for watching this video through. Have a nice day. Bye.